This is how to use JavaScript on Neocities. From your dashboard, you can create a file or add a new folder to separate your JavaScript files. So the best thing to do is create a folder. So here I have a folder named JS. So what you'll need to do is click new file. Okay, name your file. For instance, slider.setting, and be sure to use .js as your extension and click create. Then open your slider settings.js. So just click edit and add your JavaScript here. So if you don't know how to create a JavaScript, you can generate using Claude or ChatGPT. So we'll just paste the content of the JavaScript here. So just click save. Then go back to dashboard and let's call our JavaScript to our index.html so that we can use it. So we'll just edit. Okay, so we will add it here. So be sure you have this line. You can just use this one. You can copy this and rename the file. So JS is our folder, and we will use slider.setting.js. So now we have called our JavaScript and just click save. So this is how to use JavaScript on Neocities.